Thai culture, it's a tradition and a ritual to make a fire, to thank the gods and our ancestors and wish us luck on our hunt. Today we are at La Hoi, Atayal Aboriginal village here in Fuxing District in Taoyuan. It's a community, an Aboriginal community that practices a lot of traditions and rituals of the Thai Aboriginal people. And we have been practicing some of our archery over here. So let me demonstrate to you what we've been doing. Okay, so here.
Oh, no.
Yes. Right. Good. Yes.
Oh, only a 2. Whoa.
Yes, rice.
And you grow your own rice? I have to think of all the boys who have broken my heart before. Okay, and down. Roll it like a dough.
Oh.
Peanut and powdered sugar. Very delicious. We've just arrived here at He Na Wan B&B, and it is a camping ground surrounded by mountains, and there's a beautiful river that you can overlook. There are many great activities to do here, like archery and learning how to walk on stilts. Let's go give it a try.
到这个地方，你把你的在外面的负能量，把它吼出去。
Ah!
Very good.
Wow!
Very good.
This is tough. So we've just finished with all of our activities, and we've had lunch prepared for us, and everything is locally sourced from the farm. Let's have a taste, see what it's like. It's so delicious and sweet. I wish I could describe more to you in words, but I think you should come and visit. It's a great place.